Hi there, welcome to Yoga for the 2-Week Wait. This sequence was designed to give you an opportunity to move and breathe safely without concern that any of these poses might have any negative impact on your ability to conceive. Each of these poses was chosen to really support that connection that exists between your heart and your womb and between you and your body. I hope that these poses give you a sense of the receptivity and warmth and nurturing that you're creating for your little embryo to take root and for pregnancy to get off to a good start. I'm wishing you all the best, and I hope you enjoy.
Hey there, forgot to mention this in the intro. Make sure that you set up next to a wall, chair, bed, or sofa for our last pose, and, if possible, try to have a block, a stack of hardcover books, or pillows for our resting bridge pose. Okay, let's dive in. Come down to your mat, onto your hands and your knees, and when you're ready, move your hips back towards your heels to take a seat onto your heels. Once you're there, shrug your shoulders all the way up to your ears and then exhale audibly, sigh, and let it all go. I invite you to close your eyes here. Place your fingertips down on the floor on either side of your hips. Inhale and circle your arms up overhead. Exhale and circle your arms down. Fingertips graze the floor. Inhale and circle up. Exhale and circle down. Again, inhale up. And again, exhale down. Continue inhaling and exhaling, circling your arms up and down at your own pace, with your breath being your guide. Make this your last exhale and meet me here with your fingertips down on the ground. Come onto your hands and your knees. Curl your toes under, and again, take a seat back onto your heels. You can place your hands in front of you so you can kind of gauge exactly how much sensation you want to feel in your toes. This can be a little intense, but you can breathe through it. Clasp your hands behind your back and allow your chest to shine forward. Release your hands. Come back onto all fours and uncurl your toes. Place your big toes together and take your knees out as wide as your mat. And send your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms and your hands forward and place your forehead down towards the mat for child's pose. Come back up onto your hands and your knees. Walk your hands back so they're underneath your shoulders, and move your feet so that they're in line with your knees, in line with your hips. Now walk your hands forward, keep your hips high as you lower your forehead and your chest down to the floor. Come back up and walk your hands back so they're once again underneath your shoulders. If you have a block, now would be a good time to grab it. Don't have a block, you can always use a pillow or a cushion or a stack of books. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and the soles of your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips and place whatever prop you've decided to use underneath your hips. Rest your hips down onto that prop. If you're using a block, you can turn it different heights and see which one feels best to you. Close your eyes and breathe here. Raise your hips and remove your prop. Move it over to the outside of your mat. Extend both legs nice and long along your mat. And extend your arms up overhead and give yourself a full body stretch. Now walk your feet and your hands over to the right side so you're creating this banana shape. Walk your feet and arms through center, and then over to your left side. Walk your hands and your feet back through center. Place your hands down by your side. Bend both knees, soles of your feet flat on the floor, and allow your knees to fall away from one another so the soles of your feet touch. Now place one hand on your lower abdomen and the other over the center of your chest. Close your eyes and bring your attention to the connection, the energy that flows back and forth between your heart and your womb. Roll over to your right side and slowly press yourself up and scooch yourself against a wall or chair or your bed or sofa. Lie back onto your elbows. Swivel your body so that your torso is perpendicular to the wall. Extend your legs up along the wall and place your hands out alongside your body with your palms facing up. To your knees and place the soles of your feet flat against the wall. Roll over onto your side. Rest here for a moment. And when you're ready, press yourself up and take a seat in a comfortable seated position. Place one hand on your lower abdomen and the other at the center of your chest. Once again, acknowledging that connection that always exists between your heart and your womb. Breathe here. Bring your hands together at the center of your chest. Thank yourself for taking the time to move and breathe today. Bye for now. Be well.